Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable gallery autoplay motion photos on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen, and in here open up the gallery app. Next, tap on the menu key at the bottom. From the pop-up menu, tap on settings. In gallery settings, we go down and tap on autoplay motion photos. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to your picture gallery. If you have a motion photo, when you open it, it will show you a small video clip when you turn it on, when you open the photo. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching this video.